Hi. So previously, I've shown you how to create a VBML multitrack, which is essentially a track that contains several video sources aggregated together into a single entity, if you will. This time, I'll show you how to create a VBML channel, a VBML tevolution channel. So let's go. I'm going to create a new VBML file here. Like so. Let me open it in the text editor. Here it is. So once again, we're going to declare that it's actually a VBML file here. So we need this header for this. But this time, the type is going to be channel. When I'm talking about channel, I'm not talking about a feed like you're used to on traditional video services, if you will. Here, it's a genuine channel. Think of television channel. We're going to put a cover. Let's put a cover here. This one will be fine. That's my generic Vox cover. The author is going to be Vox, and the feed is going to be the same than before. The hubs. All right. So it's pretty similar than the multitrack we created before. So it's going to be a multitrack 2, except it's going to be a bit more lengthy one. So here we're going to declare a first track with a first source. And for that source, I'm going to use this video right here, which is essentially white noise that you would see on a dysfunctional television, if you will. And the duration for the track is not going to be as short as before. It's going to be 24 hours, right? So I've just declared in a few lines of text a track that actually lasts 24 hours. But given this video is actually much shorter than this, it's just an 8-hour video with noise in it, I'm going to specify a type here. It's going to be a hub. A hub is essentially a looped video that's going to loop on itself, which means that even if we go beyond 8 hours, it will loop back again to the same content. And when we define a channel, we need to define 8 days of content. 7 days of content, forgive me. Excuse me. It's going to be 7 days. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so this one is going to be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. I'm going to do all of them for the sake of clarity here because it's going to be easier for us afterwards. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay. So by default, when you specify that your VBML track is a channel, it's going to last 7 days. That's the static fixed length duration for a channel VBML track. It's an entire week of content. There's no way you could achieve that if you had to encapsulate all the static video bytes into a single MP4 or what have you video file. Let alone the fact that here we'll be able to make the content evolve as the time goes. So it's much more flexible and it's a lot more lengthy than what you could achieve with a binary file, if you will. Okay, so just like that, we created a channel that lasts 7 days, but given it's going to be a French channel, because the channel is national usually, we're going to set a time zone to tell the semantic player what to play at which time. So yeah, we have a time zone. Next up, we want to run Motion Monkey here. And we're going to drag and drop our channel inside of the monkey. And here we go. It's called track. That's a bit abstract. Let's call it Noisy TV. Let's get there. Let's reload. Noisy TV is much better. Okay, let's play it. Whoops. Okay, it's all black, so something is wrong here. Okay. Okay, for the sake of presentation, I'm just going to grab this one and check that everything is okay. There might be a typo in what I type. Maybe you've seen it already. But we are going, for the sake of presentation, I'm just going to emulate it this way. Okay, so today we're Friday. So Friday, it should play this track here. Even though for now, each track are the same. Okay, let's try again and reload this one. And let's try and play it. Seems to work better now. And here we go. Just like that, we created a very useful VBML television channel with 7 days of noise non-stop. That's pretty cool. And very useful. But symbolically, that's important. Okay, let's close that. Let's get back here. This time, we want to apply content. And given we're Friday, it's going to be on Friday. So for this, we're going to use a multitrack. We're going to declare a multitrack inside of a multitrack, if you will. Bear with me here. So we're going to declare a track that contains the noise here for a duration of, what time is it? Yeah, for a duration of the time it is now. Okay, it's going to last this long. And then, queuing that track, if you will, we are going to declare another one. Okay, like so. And for this one, let's use the cinema track. The cinema track, and that's the beauty of it, is actually a multitrack. Meaning that here we're mapping a multitrack that contains multiple sources queued together inside of a multitrack that's inside in another multitrack, which is a length of 7 days. It's a pretty hefty one, if you ask me. And we're going to specify the length, the duration here for this one. Okay, so duration is going to be like so. This one is going to be a hub because, like I said before, the noise only lasts 8 hours, so we need more than this. And this one does not need to be a hub anymore. All right, good enough. The entire source will be available after this video, by the way. And once we've done with this one, more noise. So it could be less than 24 hours, but it doesn't matter really because at the end of this duration, it's going to switch to Saturday anymore. Anyway, so it's not needed if you want. Okay, so this time, let's get back to the monkey here and let's play it again, shall we? So it's loading. And here we go. Just like that, we've mapped a multitrack, which is multiple tracks queued together inside of a VBML channel. And we are now playing content. We're now broadcasting content for everyone to see. It's pretty nice. Okay. But now we want to put this content online for people to access it. So we're going to do so right now. The channel is here. Let's open GitHub. And we're going to put our television tevolution channel online. All of this is done live. I haven't rehearsed. It's not going to be cut or anyone. It's live. If there are blanks, or if there are mistakes, you know, that's the way it is. So let's go in test. We already have the multitrack that we did before here. That's good and all. Let's upload a new file. That's easy. Let's drag and drop, not this one, that's this one, please. And let's commit. It's processing. Okay, hold on a second. Here we go. For the test, I'll need a cell phone. Okay, so the channel is up and running. Let's open it and let's go raw. We need the raw data, textual data to share it with the world. Let's copy paste this. Let's run the monkey again. To avoid confusion, let me remove the test we had here. Okay. And let's just scan this one. Okay. So this time, as you can see, HTTPS, it's online. Let's play it again. Here we go. Live television channel for you guys. And to prove that it's actually live, let me do this. Here's the video tag. So that's the video tag for it. I'm going to open Monkey. It's on my cell phone right here. And I'm going to scan this. That's the tevolution channel we just created seconds ago, moments ago. We just created a television channel, a tevolution channel, within a few minutes, just from text, from VBML. Let's play it.
C'est un film qui inspire beaucoup les architectes.
Je ne le connais pas très bien. Tout le monde croit connaître le film, alors qu'en fait, personne ne sait réellement de quoi il parle.
There you go. As you can see, the content was playing on the cell phone. It was playing on the computer here. It's a live television channel. It's a live television channel. What can I say? This time we're going to do one last experiment for the sake of it. I'm going to get back to the channel and I'm going to set the multi-track that we created on the previous video. So that's a fresh one. We did it before. It's online. It's there. And we're going to put it there. Let me adjust the time to be sure that we're on it because it's not a lengthy one. We're going to go back in the monkey, close this one, open that one again. So I'm testing on the local one this time. Bear with me. And we play it live. And let's check out what happens. There you go. The Interstellar Hans Zimmer one that we did before. It's live. It's been mapped inside of the VBML track, which means that all I have to do if I want to publish this for anyone to see is just a git commit push, or drag and drop it to GitHub, or host it on my website, or copy paste it somewhere online, and that's it. And each time the video file is going to change, let me close that because maybe it's a bit noisy. Each time the VBML file is going to change, anyone that's watching the channel will be updated. It will update in real time because it's like testing every few minutes. It's testing that it's synchronized with the online content, meaning that if anything changes, the player will update accordingly on the other side. The motion monkey player, the semantic player will update. So obviously I'm going to do more videos about all this. Maybe it's a little bit unclear what it can do for now, but I'll try to clarify as much as I can. But believe me, it's a very strong proposition when it comes to online video broadcasting, and that's it opens exciting perspective for many things indeed. And you know, hopefully I can convey that in the upcoming video that I will produce. But the fact that you can create a semantic video that lasts 7 days. Oh, there are 2 time zones here actually. The fact that you can create a channel like this that lasts for so long and then publish it within a few clicks and a few lines of text opens up a whole range of new possibilities, and it's very powerful. And keep in mind that inside of these tracks you can have anything that our backend support, meaning that you're a director des programmes, you're a television producer, and it's like the entire internet is producing videos from you because you can just cherry pick whatever feels relevant for your television channel. You could even inject inside of your channel a live video stream. For instance, I know that this streamer is streaming at this time of the day. I can insert it inside of the VBML channel, and I can compose really what feels right for the ligne editorial of my television channel, if you will, tevolution channel. So that's tevolution in a nutshell. That's how you create channel using VBML. Thank you for listening, and hopefully that can be useful to you and your friends and family. Thank you.